G'day, here's a little deal of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I'll zoom in to give you a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. These vary a little bit. This piece, I just grind the face, have the opal in the centre of a pendant piece perhaps. This piece needs to come off. Bits of ironstone here should come off and you end up with a nice stone in the middle here. Reds, greens. That's the theory anyway. Looks like that is on top. Whether that goes through there, looks like it will, according to the signs. This piece just needs to have the top cut off, ground down. Still nice and thick. Nice showy blue piece. That's on top, that'll come off. That's underneath where the stone's broken out. It's just a very fine seam under here. Might not cut. It's very thin, so you need to take care. This piece, small stone on the end that you could either cut it off that way and have a stone. How far it goes back that way, you have to grind this off to see. Split face. Not sure where the other piece is for that. This possibly could be the next piece. Or similar, out of a similar stone. You can see here how it bends around that way. So that needs to get cut off that way, and ground down, end up with a convex stone. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.